Tell me, do you hear it too? That voice in your head that just doesn't get quieter. The voice of those memories, those places in your dreams, as if they are calling you to explore them. And for me, that's the mountains. I guess being here shows me how it's like to really feel alive. It's a place where I can be at peace with myself, away from all of the stress and the distractions of the busy world that we live in. It's places like these that help me get back on track after taking a detour from my goals. And to feel inspired again to create something that I love. I've been here more times than I can count, and yet there's always something new to explore. And that's why every time feels like the first time.